everybody, I'm at Walmart and I'm here to share with you guys some deals. It's not the greatest. I skipped last week because something was going on and I can't remember why, but it just wasn't worth it. And then last night I'm like, I kind of really just don't want to go to Walmart. But I'm like, I have to because I want to check some stuff out anyway. So I'm like, okay, we're here at Walmart. Not a lot of hot deals, but I'm going to try to share with you guys what we can get. This is like a very small list. I'll probably be in here very little time, and I always like going to the thrift store after I go to Walmart, but I have a feeling I'll get out of here super early that I will just end up going home, but that is okay. But we are at Walmart. We're excited to save some money on some deals. There is one deal that I have like a couple things left, so I'm hoping maybe I get a chance to get it, but I have a feeling by the time I leave Walmart the deal will be gone. So we will see how that is, but let's just go inside and have some fun shopping. I will be making my life update video very soon. I gotta figure out, I gotta write all the stuff down that I want to talk about, so I might post it this weekend, I might post it next week. I just gotta figure out everything that I've been wanting to talk about for the last month, and there is a lot of stuff that's going on in my life, and I'm excited and not excited to share with you guys, but I feel like I should share it with you guys since you guys watch me, you want to see how my life is going, so I will be posting that soon. But other than that, let's go inside and just have some fun. So here we have the Febreze to go for $1.97. Together you're gonna end up paying just $3.94 for two of them. But we do have an Ibotta rebate for $3.30 off of two. Now I am gonna go check my Febreze clearance over in the cleaning supplies section. But if there's not a good deal, I'm gonna get this because we travel a lot and it's kind of good to have one of these. But you end up getting $3.30 back with Ibotta. That comes out to be just 64 cents or 32 cents a bottle, which is a pretty decent deal. So here we have the Poise pads for just $5.97. We currently have, with shop cakes, you get 510 cakes. With 500, you get $2 back. So every 250 is $1. So you get $2 back with Ibotta, and then there is a $3 shopping rebate. This just comes out to be just 97 cents. So here's an awesome clearance find I found. We have the Schwarzkopf Keratin color in the jet black hair dye. I've actually wanted to dye my hair in black. It's on clearance for $3.50, originally $11.97. There is a $3 rebate with a limit of 2, so you guys can get a box for just 50 cents. 50 cents. So here we have the Febreze plug for just $3.24. We have $2.30 back with Ibotta. I think that comes out to be just 94 cents, which is an okay deal for that. I'm also looking at all the other like clearance stuff. I'm not finding anything like cheap enough, but keep looking. It's going down. Otherwise, if you want this one instead of the Febreze to go, you can get 2 of these. These are $2.50 on clearance, so just giving you guys a heads up with that. So here we have the Budig lunch meat. These are 83 cents. Together you're gonna buy 5 of them and you will pay $4.14 for 3 of them. We have an Ibotta rebate where you get $1 back when you purchase the 5. And then there's a checkout 51 where you get $1 rebate when you purchase the 5. And then there's also one with Swagbucks that I'm gonna try for where you get $1 back when you purchase a 5. So if you can do all 3 of those, it comes out to be $1.15 or just 23 cents a pack. Otherwise, without the Swagbucks deal, it comes out to be $2.15 or 43 cents a pack. So here's an okay deal for some Lunchables. These just keep going up in price. When I was a kid, these were $1. But anyways, these are $1.87. You're gonna buy 3 of them and pay $5.61 for 3 of them. But there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate when you purchase 3. And then there is a shop kick deal where you get 150 kicks for purchasing the product, which is like 60 cents. So you'll get 60 cents times 3 because each one has a limit of 5, so depending on what one you guys want to get. It comes out to be just $3.06 or $1.02 for a thing of Lunchables. This is a great little thing to have if you guys are on the go, you need something. But yeah, great deal. So I'm just doing this repeat deal again. We have the Rockstar. I think you guys can do this deal every other week, but it's $1.88. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You would pay $3.76. You get a $5 PayPal back to your PayPal from aisle. Comes out to be like $1.24 Minute Maker. I just keep doing this deal because I have that many offers to do. So here's an awesome deal for Tate's cookies. So these are $4.98. You will pay $4.98, but then there is some Shopkick deals where you get 1,000 points or kicks, which is $4. These come out to be just 98 cents, you guys. 98 cents for Tate's, and you can get, I'm getting the My Little or Tiny Tate's, where again $4.98. Get that. I'm also getting a chocolate chip one. I'm getting the salted caramel, and then I don't need the gluten-free one, but I gotta see how many bags my husband wants because he likes these. So here we have the Barilla protein noodles. These are $2.52. Now I currently have a 500 points with Fetch Rewards, and then I also have a $1 back with Ibotta. This comes out to be just $1.02, which is a pretty good deal considering it's $2.52 and you get it for $1.02. And then if you go ahead and get the regular pasta, it's $1.84. So, or the Walmart brand's like 98 cents, but it's still a pretty good deal if you guys need some protein Barilla pasta. I am back from Walmart, you guys. It's crazy. I think last year I took like almost the whole summer off from Walmart because the deals are just not the greatest, and I just wanted to go there because there was one thing I wanted to get to taste test, and it was that cup of noodle s'mores. So we're going to do a taste test of that. I wanted to see if my store had Beetlejuice shoes. They did. I grabbed them, but then I later changed my mind because I don't wear those shoes very often, and I'm like, I'm just getting them because they're Beetlejuice. And then I found some other shoes for Ben because he likes sharks, but the print was peeling off. I'm like, okay, we're not getting those. But I found a Beetlejuice shirt for Charlotte. I'm like, yes. So yeah. Anyways, my total came to $47.63. I did forget to mention with my Rockstar deal, it ends in a couple days. According to the link, it ends in a couple days, like the 4th or the 15th. So just give you guys a heads up with that. But I did get an extra 1,000 points with Fetch Rewards with that deal because I had it where if I spent so much, I got it. So I had it. I only needed to spend like $2-something to get that. So I did get an extra 1,000 points with Fetch Rewards. So I didn't get a weekend warrior. Yesterday I had a weekly bonus, but this weekend I didn't have a weekend warrior, which is okay. Ibotta's is kind of being weird, but just want to give you guys a heads up. But my total came to $47.63. I did receive $11.35 back with Ibotta. I got 1,500 points from Fetch Rewards, which is $1.50. Checkout 51, $1. Shopkick, I got 3,600 points. That's $14.40. Shopium, I received $3 back for the Poise. The Swag Bucks deal, it says it's pending, so I didn't count that in my thing. And then I will be receiving $5 back for the aisle for the Rockstar deal. So my grand total came to $11.41. I didn't figure out how much everything costs. I got 19 items. It comes out to be 60 cents each. So 60 cents each for everything. That is everything that I got. So again, it's not a great month to shop at with Ibotta. If you guys, I mean, just get what you need. I used to be the person where I would try to get a bonus. You know, I'd push that bonus and I push that bonus. And now I stopped doing it. If I get it, I get it. Or if I'm like 1 away or 2 away, I'll probably push it. But I just stopped like really pushing a lot of the deals because they're just not that great. Ibotta's just has had so many changes over the last years. I mean, I still love it, but it's just not as great. I mean, it's like 10 cents here, 10 cents there. I miss pre-COVID. I really do, because that was when couponing was fun. But that's okay. That is okay. I still wanted to share with you guys this weekend, so make sure you guys give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you guys like it. I will be doing an update video soon. My mom's in town till tomorrow. We went and saw Moulin Rouge last night, so I'll probably film it later on with that. We'll just see how everything goes. But I want to thank you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.